Hello, I'm Douglas. You are in Munich. You would think you are in the United States, but you are not. You are here at the booth of Mark Miller, coming from Boston in Munich. This is ISPO, where we have an incredible, very nice collection for ski. It's a luxury ski collection with very nice fur. I present you a nice suit. This is a very nice soft shell finished with fur, with a cashmere hat and a detachable pompon in fin raccoon, with soft shell sheller pants, very nice boots. Then we have different qualities. We have a very nice material which we have in a lot of different colors. We have a luxury material like this one, which exists in beige. We have it in dark blue, we have it in black. We have very nice accessories like the Techno Fleece, which is a windproof material, which we have in different colors as well. We have very nice sweaters like this with the Swarovski. Then we have a lot of accessories like the vests, which we have in different lengths, and all the kind of different furs that you can imagine in very nice qualities as well. We have nice cashmere with Swarovski on the collar. We have nice boots, other nice jackets, the hats. A very nice range of colors. And I hope you like the collection, and I hope you like what you see.